Fellas, here we go. Here we go. Hold on. Bang. Oh, almost at 10,100. What's up, everybody? Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning. Guten Morgen. Ooh, that looks like a nice reversal. I mean, MIQ's up a little bit after what it did. It bodied completely past the new week opening gap, which is nice. Looks like we could potentially turn up from this point. Bitcoin's down to 83,000. It went down to 80K. Guys, we're doing a giveaway today, just to let you guys know. We are doing the giveaway today. We are giving away 5 Tradeify accounts and 10 Apex accounts for a total of $5,000 worth of funded accounts. $5,000. Oh, there's something in my eye. Ow. Giveaways today, and on top of it, look at Bitcoin, dude. Wow. I literally called the top of that, eh? Wow. So, beautiful, 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 beautiful movement. You can see that we sweep that low, the new week opening gap low, and we actually body past it. You can see we consolidate, we're expanding. One thing I'm paying attention to is this a reversal or is this a fake out? Thank you, Felipe, for the subscription. I appreciate you, brother. And what the heck? This is not your name? At Lio OG? What do you mean Lio OG is not your name? What are you talking about? Hold on. How come it's your real accounts now? I have no idea. Wait, hold on. What? I have no idea why it's doing that. But let's look at the markets here because we opened up and you can see really nothing. Nvidia's down to 180. Google's up 3.38% again. Google is just ripping. But really, we don't have anything. There's nothing. There's no volume, like crazy volume, except for a little bit of a correction from yesterday. So we go to the NASDAQ, and like what we're seeing is consolidation, manipulation, distribution, correct? Except here's the two factors that make me not want to enter into it yet. Okay? This manipulation happens at a random time. It's not at a specific time. It's at a time where it's really not manipulating people. So I don't think this is manipulation. I ideally want to see it rip like that. That will be my power of 3. Am I going to target this? No. Am I going to target this high and this high? Yes. So what are we going to be doing? We're going to be grabbing our tool. We're going to be drawing it out. We also need to grab our midnight open price level to see where it could reference to. Midnight open. There we go. You see it's touching midnight open right now. Right? And it clearly stays a little bit below midnight open majority of the time. We just got above it. We touch it once, and now we're pushing up higher a little bit. So let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens here. Patience is always key. It's always exactly what you need to be doing to get the right setup. So just want to be patient. That's all it is. I need to check something really quickly. Barcode right now, it's typical 9:30 time distortion. I don't think it's going to barcode for the whole day, but it's typical 9:30 time distortion. One second, chat. One secondo. Okay, we're good. Lio, we're... Yeah, I know. Lio. He was there. Lio was there. I did win 1.1K. Did you fix the free account giveaway? Yes, we're doing the giveaways now. Today. We're doing the giveaways today. So right now we start with a little bit of time distortion. We reference midnight open a little bit. I think we're going to push down a little bit, maybe down to this gap here. And then push up higher. I don't speak Dutch, my man. Alua with the dollar. I appreciate you, brother. Nvidia's down quite a bit. Nvidia's down 1.43%. Some heavy markets right now. Some very heavy markets right now. Some very interesting heavy markets too. And I think it's just because of the Fed. I don't think it's because of anything else other than just the Fed. It's very interesting. But we'll see what happens here. German because you're saying Guten Morgen. Bruh. Do I speak French? No. What time are you using to draw out midnight open? 1 hour. Nah, you're crazy, Camelot. You have to be subscribed to my YouTube to be able to win the giveaway and also be in my Discord. So we're not going to be doing one account for 15 people. One person is going to be getting like 5 accounts. Then the next person's going to get 3. The next person's going to get 1. And then there's going to be a bunch of ones. Patience. Patience, waiting for the right time. It's time distortion at 9:30. All we need to do is wait for manipulation, and then we catch the distribution, just like that. We don't do anything else. Which time zone for midnight open is most relevant? What do you mean? The only time zone that we trade on. You trade on no other time zone than New York. No other time zone than New York. Patience is key. Help me, please. I need a funded account. If you need a funded account, you shouldn't be trading. Because if you're at the point where you think that trading is going to solve all your life problems, that's where you go wrong. Trading does not solve all your life problems. You need to make it as a way to make ends meet. But when you do that, you're going to be emotional, and you're going to treat trading emotionally, and you won't ever get payouts when you trade emotionally. I have no idea if you keep them from yesterday. I have no idea. You passed your first eval yesterday. Let's go. So we just got to be patient, guys. We just got to wait for the right profile, and then we engage into the markets. By the way, guys, the sale with Apex is still going on, so don't miss out on it. Do not miss out on it. One second, chat. Bruh, hold on. Hold on, chat. One second. We're just time distorting. What a cornball, bro. Dave Teach's response to my tweet about me hitting doing the gambling stream. He's like, "You've lost your way. This doesn't honor your God." And I respond, "Before you judge, which is a sin, you should read this." And then the verse says, "The Bible does not explicitly condemn gambling, but it condemns the principle that can be applied to discourage it, meaning the advice to be content with what you have and encourage hard work for financial stewardship." This stream was not for me to make a lot of money. I make what I made and celebrated in a day. So it was for content purposes only. And then also I responded by saying, while you're at it, you should read Matthew chapter 7, verse 3 to 5, which talks about before you try to take the speck out of someone else's eye, take the speck out of your own. Because I know that Dave Teaches does not do the greatest things. Patience is key, guys. Waiting for price to get out of the time distortion at 9:30. That could probably be 10 a.m. or 9:50. Patience, guys. PMI in 3 minutes. Nice. Dave Teaches scammed people. So for him to be coming after me for doing something for content purposes and not trying to actually make profits is not only judging, which is a sin, but also he needs to just focus on himself because he has a lot of things wrong with him. Trust me, there's a lot of things wrong with him. Hey, brother, were you able to get figured out from yesterday morning? Yes. No, that's not Pat. I'm not talking about Patrick. I'm talking about Dave. Dave Teaches. Dave, like the the trader who does DTFX. The guy who sells that course. Let's see. $199 a month course, $100 a month course for 2 interactive backtesting sessions, accessible to live schedule streams, ideal for those with busy schedule, affordable, industry top tier, accessible full membership for Discord community, so private Discord, private videos, private weekly narratives, private live tape readings, and private help from students. But also does not add to that proof of any payouts. So, thoughts from IG Doused? He just posted that he fakes everything and buys fake watches and everything. So, I mean, I fucked with him. I used to talk with him a lot. But he just posted on social media that everything he's been doing is fake. So, I don't know what to think of it, but he literally just posted proof of it too. He posted that everything he bought were fakes. So we're just waiting right now. What is the trade? Wait, that's what the trade is. We're just waiting, right? Remember that strat I do? Draw out and don't look for anything until we break out. We just need expansion. It's 9:45. Quarterly theory, Dave. Yep. Not quarterly theory. Quarterly theory is day. Dave Teaches is what I'm talking about, not quarterly theory. That's day. He was friends with IG Dust? Of course he was. Patience. Bro, look at Discord. I'm scared. We're pushing down lower now, finally. Bro. Bro, it's 9 in the morning, bro. It's 9 in the morning. Why? Why? Not day. Dave. Oh my gosh. New look. Okay. We're pushing lower now, just like we wanted to anticipate. But it looks like it wants to attack those lows. Looks like it trades, beats the consolidation, taps into that order block, and still wants to continue down lower. This doesn't look like a manipulation. But we'll see. We'll have to wait it and see if it wants to do that. We have to be firm on our model. So we will wait and see. Patience. One second, chat. Hold on. Beautiful. Beautiful move here. Trades below the lows. Looks like it could potentially turn up here. Soups that low right there. I want to see a break before I engage into longs and these highs up here. That's what I want to see. Okay? Nothing more, nothing less than a break of those highs after souping that low. Once that happens, then we can start talking about business. Then we can start talking about what we need to do. The Matthew verse is talking about how before you judge someone, judge yourself to make sure that you're at the point where you should be judging other people. Guys, by the way, I want to surprise you with something, but I got a lease agreement and we got the penthouse. We will be moving in December 15th. December 15th, chat. December 15th. And I need to get internet. I actually need to buy internet. What's the best internet company for Canada? We got the penthouse, guys. We got the penthouse. Stream views are gonna be crazy. I know, guys. I know. We got the penthouse, guys. Moving in with my girlfriend. Yep. TikTok's about to be crazy. Oh, guys, it's gonna be a new era. A new era. A new era. Am I close with my dad? I love my dad, but he did leave. He left me when I was 18. You buying or renting? I'm leasing for the first few years, and so I can then buy because I don't have the record to get good rates on a mortgage, so I have to lease. But I got a penthouse. I get a penthouse. Yeah, I know my mom's proud of me, but she said it's gonna be so weird because I'm the last child. My older brother already moved out. Rolex penthouse trading view open with the sky view. Oh, it's gonna be insane. It's gonna be insane, chat. Oh, the setup's gonna be totally upgraded. Patience, guys. My internet's gonna cost $125 a month. So all that we're gonna have is okay. So Okay. And then I'm going to be spending around $8,000 a month on expenses. I have a cat. The giveaways today, the giveaways on this stream near the end of the stream, chat. But we're about to get into long here potentially if we break that high there. It's in Toronto. The penthouse is in Toronto. I'll show you if there's a video on YouTube. One second, chat. I don't think there's a video on YouTube. Maybe. Maybe. Hold on. I want to show you guys what it looks like. Look, chat. I'll show you what the condo looks like, though. Look. Okay. So, we have a hot tub and a pool. A wraparound gym that's the size of, like, Planet Fitness. Like, it's massive. A yoga studio. Another pool. A mid-rooftop patio. A party room. A 68-person movie theater. A hotel inside of it, so in case your family wants to stay. And it has it hosts the TIFF, the Toronto International Film Festival, so we get VIP tickets for that. It's absolutely insane. There's the lobby. We're breaking out of here finally. We're not breaking out. We just took it, right? I want an expansion, okay? An expansion out of it. An expansion. Expansion. I need to see an expansion. There's no fair value gaps yet, so we're not engaging. No worries, Splashy. They don't see my unit number. And they also can't they can't get to my condo because it's a higher up one. Not only do you need a key, but you also need front desk approval, even if you want to go in it. So if you go to the condo and you just say you live on that floor, you can't access unless you get the person or show proof that you actually live on that floor. Like, no one can just ask to be buzzed up. If you're a guest or visitor, you have to call the person and they have to come down and get you. You can't go to that floor. Because the condo is used for more celebrities, they do that. So the celebrities live on that level. And you cannot get to my level by just asking to get buzzed up. It's like regular condos. You have fobs. You have to scan. You can go up. This one, you actually cannot go to this floor. Unless the person who lives there, who shows proof of renting or buying, comes down and shows proof that that person can come up there, or B, you have a special fob that you can just go right up, and that's only for one homeowner. Any guest has to fully publicly check in through the front desk. There's absolutely like no shot that anything can happen. What's rent looking like monthly? Like I said, I'm going to be spending around $8,900 a month on expenses. No, you cannot get the models on my YouTube. You can learn the boot camp though, and all the concepts behind it. But my models are private. You have to pay $199. Okay, Camelot. See how we swooped that high and we pushed down lower right away? That's why I didn't start getting excited. I was like, oh, we're about to get along, because I saw that there was no fair value gap that was filled there. What we want to see is this and a fair value gap, then a quick retest, and that's where I get into a long. Right now, we're back in the consolidation area. So we have to be patient. Yo, it's your older brother. Let me get your models. What's my older brother's name? I love the way you have processed and mastered the model. I'm going to eat all the lessons in the boot camp. Let's go. One second, chat. One second. Just logging into my Tradeovate. One secondo. We need to see a rip up higher. That's all we need to wait for. That's all ideally is what's gonna happen is you don't want to trade and try to catch stuff in this right here. That is not what we do, and that's not what we're looking for. We wait for a breakout in one direction. Okay? We wait for that, and we be patient, and when it comes, we capitalize off of it. We wait, and we capitalize off of it. That simple. How does your model differ from ICT's model? It's ICT's language. So ICT taught me how to trade, and he taught everyone how to form a language, an alphabet, and then you need to make your own language. So for me, I learned how to trade. I took his concepts and made what works for me. And that's exactly what it tells us to do. Kickstream is great, bro. We got a huge win, chat. And by the way, I don't gamble to gamble. I only did this because I was with my girlfriend, and we were just having a fun time. This wasn't actually trying to make money, so it's not classified as a sin. So you can chill before you already say that. But wait, I need to move my camera.
The two best options on the board.
$2 bet.
Come on.
$2 bet. $187 balance.
Oh, that's a 500x multiplier on a pachinko.
$1,100. What? That's crazy. That's crazy. It was on Kick. This guy scared my girlfriend. I know. From $2 to 1K. Yep. So we're pushing down lower a little bit more. I think we have a deeper manipulation here. My Kick is the Benjamin SMC. But I'm not going to be gambling, guys. It was a one-off thing. They'll probably be for video games. So you can cool your beans here. One second, chat. Opinion on gold? Don't touch it right now. Trading is not gambling. I know it's not gambling. I know it is not gambling. Patience. Ben, try to up the light in live stream screen. It's low light here. What do you mean up the light? Just turn up your brightness. Sorry. We're starting to push down lower, which is very, 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 very nice. This is exactly what we want to be seeing to eventually target longs here. So we're starting to get out of the consolidation, which is a good news. I've not taken a trade yet. Dow is always like very off, so I'm not paying attention to it. But yeah, guys, don't miss out on the deal that ends, I think, in 2 days now. It's the 80% off of the Apex, $40 activation fees. And do you guys want to do the giveaways now or at the end of stream? So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing the Wheel of Names. But Ben, how do you add 1,000 people to it? You don't. What we do is we're going to pick 15, 10 to 20 winners. Once those winners win, not winners, but finalists, then after that, we're going to pick 7 winners that are going to win. One person's going to win 5 of them. And we're going to do that. Ben, thank you for the subscription. I appreciate you, brother. You just need to be in my Discord and subscribe to my YouTube to be eligible. Camaro, thank you for the follow. I appreciate, or the subscription. I appreciate you. So I'm still bullish, chat, but we're back in this consolidation. I think we can do this now, but keep an eye on the charts. We'll keep an eye on the charts, but we'll do the giveaway now. What do you think? Yeah. Okay. I think I know what to do. I think I know what to do, chat. I'm going to use the bot to add the names to the wheel. All right. Let's run it. While we're waiting, right? Everyone spam if you see price action rip above that high, okay? Just in case I don't see it. Okay. Spin the wheel. The first finalist is BM12 1K. BM12 1K. Right? Is that her name? No, KK. Okay, that's one. Let's spin another wheel here. Or it's not a wheel. It's an AI. BBC Unk. Okay, that's 2 of them. BBC Unk. Okay. Okay, let's spin it. Patience. Patience. Watchman 808. Watchman 808. Okay. We're still not ripping. We're still consolidating. So patience, guys. Patience. Should we pick some from the YouTube chat, guys? Should we pick some from the YouTube chat? Should we pick 2 people from the YouTube chat? Yes? Okay. I'm gonna close my eyes. I'm gonna randomly fall on someone. Boom. Right there. Wait. Boom. Matthew 6036. Matthew 6036. You have to DM me on Discord or something and show proof that that's your name on YouTube. Okay. We're going back to the Discord way because it's a lot easier. Camelot. Jeez. Next, we need to fix this really quickly. Sweet potato. Okay. One second, I take this off stream. Or no, I won't. I'm good. Still nothing happening in the charts right now. Ethan P. These are not winners. These are finalists. Okay? We're going to pick up the pace. I'm going to do 2 winners on this one. I didn't know I could do that. Okay. Hold on. Cayugo. It was Cayugo and Jacobino. Jacobino. Okay. Gotta get rid of those 2 people. Nice. All right. Our next winners, or not winners, but finalists are, let me get rid of them really quickly. Mando. How many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We need to do 5 more. 5 more. Cahuila. Okay. Beautiful. HX. Okay. HX. The mod. The TikTok mod. HX. All right. Where are the women? Vega. The first one is a woman. So these aren't winners. These are finalists. There's 7 winners we're going to be picking. Okay. Anna Katie. Anna Katie. It's another girl there. Mimi and Camwolf. Mimi. Camwolfy. All right, that's 15, chat. If you did not get into the finalists, there will be other giveaways, so don't worry. Now let's focus on the charts, and then we'll draw the giveaway winners here. Okay. So what we're going to be doing is a game of delete. So if it lands on your name, you're out. Okay? If it lands on your name, you're out. We're still chopping. We're going to get rid of 5 people first. Cayugo. I'm sorry. But you are out. You shouldn't be celebrating. 1. Oh, Matthew, you're out. I'm sorry, brother. Camelot. Camelot. Nah, you're camping. That was way too close for comfort. That was way too close. Wow. BBC Unk, you're out. 2 more. Camelot, you're out. No! You're out. They didn't want you. They didn't want you. I'm sorry. 1 more. You guys are celebrating Camelot getting out. And Kaula, you are out. Now there's 3. We'll do 3 more because there's 7 winners. Because I said there's always 7 winners. Anna, I'm sorry, you're out. All right, the odds are looking good. Watchman 808, you are out. No, turn off 1 message every minute. Who did that? Who turned that on? What mod did that? Why does it send 1 message every minute? Hold on. Who did that, bro? You had it on for the W's, the 1 minute? Did you take it off? Someone typed twice in chat. Someone typed 2 times in chat. Okay, we're good. We're good. All right, the last person that got removed, and then everyone wins that's left. All right, everybody wins that is left. Here we go. HX is still in there. Boom. Whoever loses, I'm sorry. Whoever named this is, I am so sorry. BM, no! It took out both women that were in here. I'm sorry. Better luck next time. And the winners are Sweet Potato, Cam Wolf, Mimi, HX, Mando, Jacobino, Ethan. Congratulations. You will be in the finals now. Now it determines on how many accounts you get. Yeah, well, I'm sorry. No, slow mode's off. All right. I mean, we're not really getting anything here, so we might as well do the giveaway now. So I need to get a pen. No, hold on. Calculator. And we have... 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we 4 before 3. Hold on. 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. This is how it's going to go. First place is going to win 4 accounts. Some are first place is going to win 1 Tradeify straight to funded. Oh no, that's not how we're gonna do. First place is gonna win 4 accounts. Second place is gonna win 3 accounts. Third place is gonna win 2, and then the rest are gonna win 1. Except we're gonna pick 1 winner to win a 50K straight to funded on Tradeify, which is a very expensive account. Very expensive account. All right. So the way we're gonna be doing it is we're gonna be doing the 3 ones first. Okay. So this is last place. You get 1 free account. HX, 1 free account. Congratulations. At HX. Hold on. 1 free account. Okay. Next, 1 free account. Again, last place. Mando. At Mando. 1 free account. Okay. Next is the last one for 1 free account. Cam Wolf. At Cam Wolf. 1 free account. Because that's just how I want to do the giveaway. It's cast clips. You have the best prizes out of all influencers. Thank you, brother. I appreciate it. All right. Now, the next winner is 2 free accounts. Ethan P. At Ethan P. 2 free accounts. All right. Maybe because they're my friends and that's why you choose them. Are you fucking stupid? My mom's got a hose. Did you not see me use an AI? Did you not see me put random names into here? Do you think I know these people personally? Someone time that cornball out. Ethan P, you won 2 accounts. Congratulations. Thank you, Eduardo, for the $5. I appreciate you. All right. Now, the next winner is 3 accounts. Boom. No. Yeah, 3 accounts. Sweet Potato. Sweet Potato with 3 accounts at Sweet Potato. 3 accounts. Okay. Now here it is. Jacobino versus Mimi. The loser, the person drawn, gets 4 free accounts. The person that is not drawn and left there gets 1 Tradeify straight to funded, which is the most expensive on this whole list. The easiest to get your first payout. Once you hit a profit target, you get a payout. It's straight to funded. You go straight to your live account. You skip the combine. Here we go. Here we go, chat. Can Mimi and Jacobino type in the general chat on Discord? Okay, there's Jacobino. Where's Mimi? I said Mimi, not you guys spamming W's. Okay, well, I don't see Mimi. But it's okay, because she can still win. All right. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. The 4 free accounts go to Jacobino with 4 free funded accounts. Congratulations. Congratulations. 4 free funded accounts at Jacobino. 4 free accounts. And then the winner of the straight to funded at Mimi. Straight to funded trade if I eval goes to Mimi. Congratulations, guys. We'll do more giveaways soon. I typed it wrong. Sorry. Congratulations to the winners. Atrax, Mando, Cam Wolf, Ethan, Sweet Potato, Jacob, and Mimi. I will DM your accounts in the span of 24 to 48 hours. Like I said, you had to be in my Discord and you had to be a subscriber on YouTube. I know. I think the AI does that. I don't know. But we're starting to push up higher as well, so we could potentially get a setup. Is there a holiday today? Or is it down another 4%? Oh my gosh, the stock is actually dying. The fuck? The stock market is dying here. Like, Nvidia's down to 177, chat. It's pretty bad. Bitcoin's down to 84K. Things are down right now. And there's no a big apparent reason. That's the scary thing. We're really, like, we haven't caught an entry today yet, chat. And I'm happy that we haven't. I hope you guys haven't caught an entry either. Because there's really nothing to be engaging that much. I hope. Type 1 if you haven't taken a trade yet. Type 2 if you have. And type 3 if you've chased and blown your accounts. I'll be honest. I don't see any 3s. I see 2s, which, you know what, it's okay. But 1s, I see a lot of 1s. Not shabby. Not too shabby. One second, chat. Forgot I had a limit short? No way. Getting your first payout today? Let's go! Congratulations. You're welcome. Yeah. You know what? It's been pretty Gucci. We've been pretty Gucci today. We have been pretty Gucci. Oh, press action, yeah. Isn't it Thanksgiving tomorrow? Why did I get timed out? Well, if you spam, you get timed out. I don't know if you spammed or something. But there's probably a reason for why you got timed out. But it wasn't long. You're back. Let's go, Mimi. Congratulations. Congratulations. It's the 27th? Ah, okay. It's Thanksgiving tomorrow for the U.S.? So it's not the 27th. Everyone's saying it's the 27th. No, I will not be posting the codes. You'll get DM'd the codes privately. The one person who won from YouTube, if you don't DM me, and if you don't find a way to contact me, the giveaway will go to a new person. Or no, you didn't even win. Never mind. You got removed. This is 27th? Okay. I mean, we don't really have anything, right? We've been in this chop for a while. There's really nothing to compete with here. I wonder where we're going. Could we be going down here? I don't know. We'll see. We will see. Doesn't look too great, though. It does not look too great. But it's a good buying opportunity. It is a good buying opportunity. That's for sure. I look tired. Yeah, I'm a little tired. Women day traders. The number one is a girl. Where is your banner? Oh, you're right. Boom. It's not 70% off. It's 80, guys. Code Ben for 80% off with Apex. You can get 80% off, $40 activation fee, and on top of that, you can also get pass in 1 day. What if scammers make fake accounts and contact you for prizes? They won't. I'll have them to prove. And I'm contacting them. I already added them. I'm glad you guys are happy with the accounts, and I will hand them out in 24 to 48 hours or over the weekend. It'll be ready for Monday. When it's in consolidation, that doesn't mean anything. Chopfest, yeah. I don't know, chat, if we're gonna be catching anything here. Like it's really messy. It's really messy. Patience. Trust the process, guys. There's nothing really engaging, but we could clear up. It's 10:30. Maybe we have something here. Thank you for the subscription, Emmy. I appreciate you. Tana's taken 3 losses on her stream today. Hey, everyone takes losses. Tanya's a great trader. I'm staying flat so far. I haven't taken anything. 1 second, chat. 1 second, chat. Hold on. How does it feel to be Cheese Whiz? What? How can I watch your PM session on TikTok? I cannot access it, brother. You need to just... Oh, is TikTok banned in India? Subs going up fast, bro. I know. You guys are so amazing, bro. 20K our next goal, chat. 20K subscribers is big, but 100K... I do have blue light glasses. And congratulations to all the winners for the giveaway. Patience. Why did I get such a big thing that you're following? What the heck? Oh, is that from Kick? That's from a Kick thing. Okay. I need to fix that. Chat, I'm not going to lie. I don't think we're going to catch any entries today. I think we're going to be flat on the day. We were flat yesterday as well for the AM session. Both AM sessions were flat. No trade on the AM. No trade here. And then we caught a little bit of a log on the PM there. But it's a slow week. It's a slow week. It's a profitable week. So that's what matters. But it's a slow week. I have no idea. SYN. Mine took a couple days. But yeah, guys, I think I'll be back for PM session. Other than that, I don't think there's much business being on here. So we're going to finish in prayer and then wait for PM session for a reversal back to the longs. Congratulations to the winner. ICT stopped by her stream today, but he doesn't stop by mine. Wow, okay, I see how it is. All right, let's go. Dear Heavenly Father, thank you for another amazing day and opportunity, Lord. Glory and praise be to your name, and forgive us for our sins and deliver us from the evil one. Lord, please be with anyone on the other side of the screen that may be struggling, and protect them and their goals and their plans, Lord, and remind them that it's all part of your plan, not ours. In Jesus Christ's holy amazing name we pray. Thank you for everything. Amen. All right, chat. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. 1:10 p.m. Eastern time on TikTok. See you guys later. Take care. God bless. And peace. Congratulations to the winners.